In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Tradingview. If you've ever felt like your charting takes a few too many clicks, this walkthrough will help you move faster and stay focused. Shortcuts are all about efficiency, and Tradingview gives you a clear, organized way to learn them right inside the platform. First, open charts. Make sure you are on an active chart window so the platform knows where to apply your commands. With a chart open, you'll have access to everything we're about to look at. Next, access the menu to see the full shortcut guide. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Keyboard Shortcuts. This opens a dedicated panel that lists the available keys and combinations. It's a helpful reference you can return to any time you need a refresher. And it's arranged to make finding what you need quick and intuitive. T here is also a faster way to bring up the same list without using the menu. While you are on a chart, press Ctrl plus the / key. This quick access works from anywhere on the chart. So if you forget something in the middle of your work, you don't have to dig through menus. Inside the Shortcuts panel, you'll see everything organized into categories. The Charts section covers navigation and chart management, things like moving around your view, zooming in or out, changing how your chart looks, and switching what you are focusing on. Learning these helps you jump between views quickly and keep the price action front and center. Indicators and Drawings focuses on the creative and analytical tools you use most often. This includes adding, showing, or hiding indicators and activating drawing tools you rely on to mark levels, trends, or patterns. Becoming familiar with these saves you from clicking through toolbars every time you want a line, a shape, or a measurement on the screen. Tools and Display helps you control what you see and how you see it. Think about toggling visibility, switching the crosshair, or showing and hiding elements that make your workspace cleaner and easier to read. Mastering these makes your chart feel tailored to the way you think and work. Take a moment to explore the list and read the descriptions so each shortcut makes sense in context. Keep the panel open while you experiment on the chart and let your muscle memory build. Even adopting a few favorites can noticeably speed up your workflow. That's it. Thanks for watching.